Here I've got Huawei P30 Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper, and now just click on wallpaper. And you can either pick something from your gallery or one from the default options. You can also click on more wallpapers to take a look at some themes, but I will pick something from those wallpapers and let me choose, for example, this one. And if you would like to set it as your wallpaper, just tap on confirmation mark and you can set it only on your lock screen, on home screen or on both of them, and let me choose home screen. And this is it. As you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering your screen. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.